Welcome to Val's Sweet Kitchen. This lemon meringue pie is super easy to make and you'll be done in a jiffy. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's go have some fun. You start with 3 eggs and you separate them. You put the yolks in a bowl and the whites in your stand mixer bowl. And make sure this is very, very clean because we're going to whip them up into a nice ooey gooey meringue. And I always separate them outside the bowl. That way, if a yolk is going to burst, it's going to burst in here and not in here. And to your egg whites, add a 1/4 teaspoon or a tad of kosher salt. Look, it actually says tad. And 1/2 cup of sugar, and place this over a pan with 1 inch of boiling water. This is called a double boiler or a bain marie. And you're going to bring this up to 160 degrees. And it's going to happen really quick. And there we go. And you're just going to put it into your stand mixer and whisk that to round peak. And that's round peaks. It's kind of like drooping over like a hill. It's not a mountain peak. We're gonna have some really good swirls on top. Then to your 3 egg yolks, this is your filling. We're gonna add the zest of 3 lemons, which is about 2 teaspoons. And when you zest your lemon, make sure you don't go down to the white part. That part's bitter, so just get the yellow. That's got all the flavor. And then the juice of those lemons, you want 2/3 cup. And then add that to your egg yolks and whisk that all together till it's nice and lemony color. And now add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. That's 14 ounces. All that ooey gooey goodness. And whisk that all in. Then you want to pour it into an 8-inch blind bake pie shell and use half of my recipe. And I'll leave a link below on how to blind bake a pie shell. And this is great if you're going to a dinner party because you don't have to worry about the dish. And pour it right in. You want every last ounce of this lemon filling. It is so good. And then with your rounded peaks, gently put it on top. You want to very gently dollop it onto the top and make sure it comes all the way to the edge. And then I use a soup spoon to give it fancy swirls and help spread it around. You just have to go real slowly and then bake for 20 minutes and keep your eye on it towards the end. Don't want any of the tips getting overdone or too crispy. It's beautiful. I love it. It tastes just like lemon meringue pie. I hope you have fun today. If you did, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and boop that bell. That way you'll be notified when I make my next video.